Welcome back to a new cooking video. Today I'm going to show you how to make kale chips. Now, it's something that you can just have as an appetizer on its own. There's a restaurant here in Marbella that makes them. It's called Manuka. If you ever come down to Marbella, check them out. But you can also use this in different ways. You can add it to a salad. You can add it on top of a sushi roll, like a little crispy piece that has like some taste to it. Or you can even put it inside a sushi roll, or really just, this is an element you can add to many dishes, just however you want to use this. So with that being said, let's get straight into this. Let's start cooking. Okay, let's start off by preparing the marinade. Now you're gonna need a food processor and just to weigh out some ingredients so you can make this. So it's very simple. We're gonna add 50 grams of nutritional yeast and 60 grams of soy sauce, followed by 75 grams of extra virgin olive oil and 100 grams of tahini paste, which is a sesame seed paste. Then 40 grams of water just to make it a bit thinner. And you're just going to turn on your food processor for 1 to 2 minutes just to thoroughly mix these ingredients and blend them together. Once that's done, it should look like this. It's a pretty thick, pasty marinade. This will stick well to the kale leaves. Now you're going to take about 700 grams of kale leaves and you're going to strip them from the stem. So just pull them off like that with your hand. And if they're anything too big, just cut them a little bit, but you really shouldn't need to with these small kale leaves. Now these have been washed before I stripped them off the stem. Okay, once you've removed all the leaves, you're going to place them in a big bowl and then add your marinade into it. Okay, just pop it all over it, and then with gloves, just macerate that into the leaves. You're really gonna have to get in there and mix it up because the marinade sticks to the first leaves that it comes in contact with. So you have to really mix it around to get it to spread onto the other ones. Okay, once it's evenly spread, you're going to take out your dehydrator trays and just spread them out nice and evenly over this. Just like that. The more even, the better. Then place them back into the dehydrator and fill up the other levels. And now we're gonna have to turn this thing on. Okay, so you're gonna need to turn it on for 18 to 20 hours at the vegetable temperature, which is 52 degrees Celsius. And once you're done, they should come out nice and crispy and thin and crunchy, and they're just super. Now you want to keep these away from the air, so place them into a Ziploc bag and just store them away until you need them. Now you can place them into a little basket for display purposes when you want to eat it, and done. Okay, so there we go. We've done some kale chips, got them in our bag. We can keep them like this for at least a few weeks. I'd say maximum a month before they start to become very stale. Try to keep them away from oxygen, and again, just use these wherever you want. You can just eat them as a snack, or you can add them to things. These are just awesome for anything. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos, somewhere down there. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.